No, but what is the success? You are saying Kamyabi. What is the success? Please tell me. India goes and strikes you inside Balakot. You then have one Indian pilot is captured, and today you seem some kind of a great success. What is the success that you are now claiming on Pulwama? That's what I'm unable to understand.
The success was that our JF Thunder went into India. We actually downed your 2 planes. We arrested your pilot, Abhinandan, and then we returned him back when you were literally on your knees. So this was a huge success.
You know, I am very intrigued by your statement that you are saying India was on its knees, because only yesterday your opposition leader, Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, claimed that Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi and General Bajwa, your army chief, were quaking, and they returned Abhinandan because you were scared that India would attack them by 9 p.m. This is what was said by your leader Ayaz Sadiq. He said General Bajwa was shaking in his legs and perspiring, and so was Shah Ahmed Qureshi out of fear. Therefore, you had to release Abhinandan. And today you are coming on the program and telling me India was on its knees?
He never said that, about General Bajwa. The rest is politics, you know. Politicians do accuse each other of such things. Doesn't matter. Nothing to be happy for India in this. So, as I said earlier, we are very categorical on that. We don't want warmongering. Unfortunately, in India, a section of media and obviously a huge number of politicians are now want to fight with everyone around. They want to fight with China. They want to fight with
General Chaudhary, this statement which has come from your own senior leader, the Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leader. He has said very clearly, Shah Mahmood Qureshi was sweating. Foreign Minister said, for God's sake, please let Abhinandan go. Otherwise, India will attack Pakistan at 9 p.m. tonight. I want to understand who is quaking. Are you now denying all of this, that all of this is politics playing out in Pakistan? Why and that none of these statements are true?
I was in that meeting. And no one said anything about Abhinandan or anything. Sadiq was there, as I said. It's just, I would say, a political statement that politicians make against each other just to discredit each other. Nothing more than that.
You mean to tell me today that the lies that politicians tell each other, particularly across the subcontinent and in Pakistan, have now reached the stage where the Pakistani opposition is willing to lie to embarrass its own government about India only because of politics, and including such serious security issues?
Yeah. Unfortunately, he was totally lying. He has nothing to do no such thing ever happened, and he was just lying. It's routine, you know. In India also, Prime Minister Modi lies about vis-a-vis Pakistan every day, so it doesn't matter actually.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.